Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, today we are going to start a new lesson which is very interesting to you everyone. Okay, shall we start that one? Yes, what is that lesson? But the lesson and the meaning completely different. So, what is that? Let's see in this. What is the lesson name? The seed. Seed, you know? Seeds, you know, all of you? Yes? Yes, whatever, any plant to get it, we need seeds, right? You have planted many seeds. You got so many plants also from that, right? Yes. So, that kind of seed only, but this is not science class. So, how can, this is not EVS, not science. So, what is the use of this seed? Why did we get seed in English? Yes, let's see what happened from this seed, right? So, see the textbook. So, in this seed, look at the poster given below and read it. So, here the poster, if you see, what did they give? Quality means doing it right even when nobody is looking. Quality means doing it right even when nobody is looking. Did you understand what is the meaning of that? No? Yes, some of you understood. Very good. What is the meaning of that? Yes. So, that is quality means, you know, quality. Yes, I did very good quality work. This cloth is very good, fine quality. Like the different ways we explain quality, right? But here quality means doing it right. Here quality of work. So, how we are doing, whether we are doing very fine work or not, honestly or not, that is the quality here. So, if you see any people, some people, if anyone is looking at you or else if anyone is observing them, at that time they work very perfectly. And some people, whether anyone observe them or not, whether they look at them or not, they never mind about it and they continue their work. So, they concentrate on their work only. But some people, even some students also, yes, if teacher is looking at you means, yes, you start doing work. Otherwise, yes, you stop the work and you are to continue chatting with your friends or else stop the work, like that you are doing, right? But is it correct one? No. Whatever the work we have, that we should complete first and then we can discuss with others, right? Yes. So, here quality means doing it right even when nobody is looking. If no one is looking at you, no one is observing you also. If you complete your work, if you do your work perfectly, that is quality of work. Right? Did you understand this one? So, what is the relation here for the seed lesson and quality of work? What are these? Let's see what is this. So, here this is the drama. Drama means, you know, yes, in our TV or movies, you know. So many characters are there. They tell their own their dialogues, right? Like that here also drama means so many characters are there. So, that characters, what they are telling, we can see in this story. So, here narrator, characters in this drama, that is, what are the characters we have? First one, narrator. Narrator means who is telling story to us. The person is narrator. Okay. Who is telling story to us is nothing but narrator. Clear? And king. Yes, it's a king's story. Very interesting. King, princess, young man 1, young man 2, young man 3, young man 4, young man 5, young man 6. So, 6 people, young man are there and Daniel, one more person named Daniel. So, remaining all persons names they didn't give, simply young man 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that young man numbers they have given. So, these are the characters in this drama we have. So what is this? So script. Script means everyone, how you have dramas, one act plays. So like this we have na. So skits. So here one by one they tell their dialogues. What is that? First narrator is telling to us, once upon a time there was a king who had only one daughter. Yes, any story starts with once upon a time, long, long ago, right? So here also, once upon a time, there was a king who had only one daughter. One day he said, what the king said? Yes, see this one. Now, king, what is he telling? When are you going to get married? When are you going to get married? Princess she is, so she is in the age of marriage, right? So king's plan to to do the marriage for his daughter, right? So that's why he asked his daughter, that princess, when are you going to get married? So princess gave the reply, I don't know, father. So how can she say when means? No, I don't know, father, she said. So then king, is there someone special you like? Is there someone special you like? Someone special means any particular person like this only, this type of person only. Any expectations you have? That king asked. So very good, king. And princess said, no, father, but I really would like to marry someone kind and honest. How great she is also, see. She didn't expect anything from the prince, just she expected, suppose he is kind and honest. Yes, good quality, kind and honest. Kind means kind heart, that is very show them mercy on others. So very honest, good person. So that's only she asked. She didn't ask any other king or else any money, properties, like that she didn't ask. Just she asked if that person is kind and honest, obedient, right? This is only she asked. So then king said, king assured, yes, leave that to me. Yes, I am your father, so leave that to me. Just you are asking kind and honest man. Definitely I will find that person. That he assured, he promised her, he promised his daughter, that the princess, right? So then, do you have something in mind? Yes, leave it to me means princess got the doubt. That means you have already planned about it. That's why you are telling. Like that she thought. That's why, yes, do you have something in mind? That means already you thought about it. You have anything in your mind? That she asked. For that king, yes, you just wait. Yes, I have something in my mind, but just wait and see what I am going to do. Then you can understand, that he said. So very well, father. Okay, father, very good. So let me see what is going to happen. So this is happened. So narrator, so next day the narrator is telling that next day the king decided to hold a competition between every young man in the kingdom. So next day, so our narrator is telling what the king did. Yes, the king decided to hold a competition. So to conduct, to arrange a competition between every young man in the kingdom. So she asked, that's the princess means 100% young man and only needed. So that young man must be honest and kind, right? So to find that one who is kind and honest, then he started, yes, he decided to conduct a competition. You know the competition? Yes, for the August 15th or Republic Day, this Children's Day, we conduct so many competitions too, you know. Yes, the same way here, he wanted to do some competition between these young men in the kingdom. You know the kingdom, yes, where the king is ruling, the total place is called kingdom. So in his kingdom, he called all the young men and he wanted to conduct a competition between them. So, messengers were sent out to all the far reaches of the kingdom, proclaiming the news. So, spreading the news. So, they send the messages to all the people in the throughout the kingdom. So, total kingdom, whoever the young men are there. So, for every them, they send the message. So, yes, competition is there, you come and prove yourselves. So, participate in this. If you win, you can. So, king is going to conduct this one, that they said. So, finally one day they were all gathered in the place. So, he passed the message to everyone to reach it, spread over. So, whenever he is going to conduct on that day, all the people came to participate in the competition. So, they gather in that place. So, then king said, on that day when all the people gathered, at that time he said, in my hand, that is, I hold a bag of beautiful flower seeds. Yes, our seed lesson, seeds we got it. So, in my hand, I hold a bag of beautiful flower seeds. So, I have a bag in my hand. Can you see? Yes, in this bag we have beautiful flower seeds. So, that flower seeds means if we sow them in the pot, yes, in the clay, we get plants and beautiful flowers, right? So, that flower seeds I have. So, I will give one of these seeds to each one of you. So many young men came here. So, I will give each one seed to you. Once you have one of these seeds, you must take it away and care for it for the next 6 months. For the next 6 months. Yes. So, I will give one of these seeds to each one of you. So, now I will give each one seed. So, once when you get these seeds with one of these seeds with you, you must take it away and you must take care of them. You must care for it for the next 6 months. So, how much time did he give? Yes, the king gave 6 months time to the young man to take care of seed. Which seed is it? Yes, beautiful flower seeds, right? That is it. And then you should bring the full grown flower back to me. Yes, those are beautiful flower seeds, na? Then you should come back after 6 months with 6 months with beautiful flowers with me. So, you must bring all the beautiful flowers to me after 6 months. So, up to that time, you must be careful, take care of the seed and plant. That means from the seed directly can we get flower? No. This seed you should plant it and you should get the plant from that and you should get flower from that plant. So, that he suggested. Then young man one of the persons, so 6 young men are there na. So one of the young man asked, what for? Why? You are telling simply you give the seed and you take to your home and take care of it and come back with a beautiful flowers after 6 months, that you are telling. What for? Why? Why should we care of this seed and why should we bring these flowers after 6 months? What? Yes, right na? What is that reason we should know na? Then young man too asked, what will we get if we take care of it? If we take care of it, what do we get here? So, second young man asked, what will we get? So, if we take care of it, what do we get? What is the reason? Without expecting, without gaining anything, why should we why should we care of this seed? Not needed. That's why what is the advantage to us? So then the king revealed the secret. The person that brings to me the most beautiful flower will marry my precious daughter. So after 6 months, if you bring the most beautiful flower to me, you can marry my daughter. So the king revealed the secret. Yes, the person who brings the beautiful flower after 6 months, then the person can marry my daughter. That he revealed the secret. So what did the princess ask? The only condition, the person is somewhat kind and honest. The person is kind and honest. So that's why here, but what is the reason behind it? Let's see what happened. The young man, third young man said, oh, okay. Fourth young man, you can count on me. Yes, you can decide. I am the person to get the beautiful flower and can marry your daughter. That he decided before that only. And young man 5 said, I'll bring the most beautiful flower you have ever seen. So definitely I'll bring the most beautiful flower. So till now maybe you didn't say that the most beautiful flower, I will bring it. So sure at all, that he said. And young man said, don't be so sure of that. So he warned the young man 5, don't be so sure of that. So don't think in that way, not sure about it, that he said. So king, so all these young men one by one they are telling. Further king said, silence. Just remember, I'll be here in 6 months. You can go now. So, yes, all of you be quiet, silent. Just remember. So, I will be there in 6 months. The narrator said, they all went home. So, then the king said, yes, be silent. Just a moment. You can disperse now. I'll meet you all here after 6 months. That he said, because he gave the time 6 months to them, right? So then our narrator is telling, yes, they all went home. During the next 6 months, the princess waited patiently for that day to come. Yes, total 6 young men and all these people, they came now. So, and this princess also eagerly waiting. Yes, who will get the most beautiful flower and who will marry me? Like that she also very patiently waited for them. And finally the palace gates were opened when? Yes, after 6 months again. And the young men entered to see the king. So young men, total 6 members, 7 members, they have taken these seats now. All the people again came to this palace, king's palace, to see the king. To see the king really? No, to show their beautiful flower and to marry this princess, right? So they came. And each one of them was carrying a flower in a pot. So 6 months time he had given. So everyone they came with a flower in a pot. So in a pot plant is there and flower is there. But see the logic, whenever we plant the seeds, it's 100% sure to get plant from it. Sometimes we may not get the plant from it, and sometimes after getting the plant it may die. But can we assure about the 6 months? No. But here everyone they got the flower. So a plant and flower, how beautiful it is. And the king said, please get in line and I'll take a look at your pot. So total 6-7 members are there. So please all of you one by one you please come in line and I'll see your pot and that the most beautiful flower, how is it? So that's why please come in a line, that he said. Then the narrator said, yes, the king took a look at each pot. So what is he doing? The king is doing, he is looking at each pot, what is going on, how is that beautiful flower. And the young man one, he came, look at you, look at your majesty, mine is the most beautiful. Yes, look at my beautiful flower, mine is the most beautiful, my dear lord, that he said. King said, sure it is the most beautiful. And the young man too came and he said, please smell this flower. Yes, my flower pot, yes, please smell this flower. That is a beautiful to look. That's why here he asked, yes, not only to look, smell it also, how pleasant to smell it is. That young man too said. So for that king, it surely smells nice. Yes, it's a very pleasant smell only. So yes, sure, it is very good smell, that he said. And the third young man, he came and Watch mine, isn't it exotic? So exotic means take it from the foreign, that is a foreign breed, we call it na. So almost foreign flower, like that it is. So isn't it? Watch it mine. If you say so, okay. If you say that is a foreign one, okay, that is also foreign. Like that only that the king said. He didn't reply much. So suddenly the king noticed a young man who was carrying an empty pot. He approached him and put his hand on the young man's shoulder. So like this, young man 1, 2, 3, like this they came. At that time, this king observed a person stood there, and that young man carried an empty pot. He brought an empty pot, and then he approached him. The king only approached. Approached means reached nearly. So he went to him and put his hand. So he held his hand and on the young man's shoulder. So the king kept his hand on the young man's shoulder and asked, "What is your name, young man?" Because he has no plant in his pot. So what is this? So all the people, they brought beautiful flowers, but this person has no flower in that. That's why he asked, "What is your name, young man?" "My name is Daniel, your majesty." So kings means your majesty, my lord, like that always they should use those words. That's why my name is Daniel, that he said. So, and why do you look so sad? Aren't you happy to be here just like the others? So you are looking so sad. What happened to you? Aren't you happy like others? You see all those young men, they brought very beautiful flowers and they're very happy because they're eagerly waiting to marry my daughter, right? So they're very happy. What about you? Aren't you happy? So like the others, that is. "Oh yes, I am, your majesty. It's just that seed you gave me didn't grow." "Yes, I am. I am also happy, but that is, it's just that seed you gave me didn't grow." So they are those flowers, they got the flowers means they are much happy. But why I am here without happy? Because whatever the seed you have given, that didn't grow in my pot. That's why I brought the empty pot. That's why I am looking somewhat dull. That he said. So then young men, all the young men, they started to laugh. Ha 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 ha. They were laughing at him. Even young man, for one more person said, "Ha ha ha. He brought an empty pot." So we all brought very beautiful flowers, but he brought an empty pot. So he laughed at him. But the king said, "Don't feel ashamed, please, Daniel. No, 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 don't feel shy, don't feel guilty." Ashamed means feel guilty. Don't feel guilty here. "Please, Daniel," that king very requestingly said. So Daniel said, "I really took good care of the seed you gave me, your majesty." So really whatever the seed you have given, really I took very good care, your majesty. What kind of care I took? That the Daniel said, "I did everything I could." What is that? More sun, less sun. More water, letting the pot dry out. Nothing work. Maybe the sun, hot sun is not proper. That's why I kept it in the hot sun. No use. Less sun. Without sun also I kept. No use. Maybe water is not sufficient. I kept pour more water, but no use. And without pouring the water, I made it dry also, but no use. Everything I did it, but I didn't get the plant from this seed. I am sorry, but I have nothing to show you but a pot full of dirt. Yes, a pot, in that pot dirt, clay is there a mud. So with that empty pot only I can show you. Very sorry, my dear majesty. That Daniel very pleasing requesting ways. I hope no hope of marrying the princess. I have no hope of marrying the princess, because you said whoever get the beautiful flower, but now I brought very empty flower pot. That's why I have no hope at all. to marry your daughter princess. So the king said, look, my daughter is here. Yes, look there, my daughter is there. So princess, father, have you reached a decision? So father, what is this? Have you taken the decision? What is this? That she asked. Yes, the king said, yes. Everybody listen. This man you see here by my side will marry my daughter. To the surprise to everyone in the court, he said, yes, listen here. So this I am the side of this person. So this man is going to marry my princess, my daughter princess. That he said. So young man 4, he was shocked and said, but look at his pot, there is nothing there. So you told at that time we should take care of the seed and everything. But look at his pot, there is nothing, empty pot it is. So how can you decide? That the young man asked. So for that king gave reply, I don't know where you got the flowers from, but it wasn't from me. So everyone shocked about this. The king said, I don't know where did you get these flowers? That is, all of you brought beautiful flowers now. But how did you get these flowers? I don't know. Where did you get these flowers from? But it wasn't from me. But these flowers are not from the seeds which I gave you. These flowers are not from the seeds which I gave you. Why? So the young man 5, what do you mean? That is, these flowers are not from your seeds. So how can you say, what do you mean? Then the king gave the clarity answer to everyone. I mean that those seeds were dead. So the seeds which I gave you, those are dead seeds. Dead seeds means we never get plant from those seeds. I gave all of you boiled seeds that would not grow. Yes, seeds if we boil them, they never grow in the mud. So useless seeds those are. So that's why I gave those boiled seeds to you. And all of you except Daniel have brought beautiful flowers. So all of you except Daniel have brought beautiful flowers. So he only brought direct one, but remaining all of you, yes, beautiful flowers you brought. How can you get these beautiful flowers? I give dead seeds, but from that seeds you never get the plant. But still you got the flower means you planted another seeds, right? That is. When you found out that the seed would not grow, all of you substituted another seed for the one I gave you. Yes, when you found out, when the plant is not growing up from the seed, immediately you substituted. Substituted means you kept replaced. Instead of that seed, you kept another seed and to get the plant and to get the beautiful flower from it. That you did it. But Daniel didn't do like so. Daniel was the only one with the courage and honesty to bring me a pot with my seed in it. But among all of you, only Daniel brought the seed and pot however I gave as it is, without replacing it, without substituting it. So therefore he will marry my daughter. So because of his very honestly he did the work, and that honest he showed by bringing the empty pot. Right? That's why he is going to marry my daughter. That he said. So princess, Daniel, you are sincere and honest, and those are the qualities my husband and a good king should have. I'll be happy to marry you. Even princess also first what is the father's plan she couldn't understand. But now she understood and she said, Daniel, you are very sincere and honest, very good person. So, and those are the qualities my husband and a good king should have. So, to become a good king or as my husband, these are the qualities enough for me. So, that good qualities you have. So, I will be happy to marry. I am also very happy to marry you. That the princess also accepted to marry this Daniel. So if you are really honest and good, kind, so always definitely we will win in the anything. Okay, that we should remember. And here how the seed decided the character of the person. Now understood why we have the seed is the lesson name here. So the seed by giving the seeds to the people, young man, the king decided who is very honest and good person to marry his daughter. Right? Did you understand this lesson? Yes? Then let's start the question answers. Next we can see the question answers.